Hi friends, this is your favorite YouTube channel, We Educate. Today our concept is physics. In physics we are going to learn about motion. So, in physics, motion is the phenomenon in which an object changes its motion over time. Motion is mathematically described in terms of displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, speed and time. As there is no absolute frame of reference, absolute motion cannot be determined. If an object is not changing relatively to a given frame of reference, the object is said to be at rest, motionless, immobile, or stationary. Now we are going to see types of motion. Type 1 Rotatory motion. Rotatory motion is anything moves in a circular motion. This type of motion was among the first discovered in ancient times. Example rotation of Earth around the Sun. Type 2 Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is the motion that moves to and fro in equal intervals of time. Example pendulum clock. Type 3 Linear motion. Linear motion is a motion that moves on a straight line. Example car, bike moving in a straight road. Type 4 Irregular motion. Irregular motion is a motion that moves irregular in shape. It moves irregular. Example moving bee. In motion class, we are going to see first about speed. What is speed? Speed is the distance traveled per unit time. It is a scalar quantity having the magnitude only. Its formula is speed equal to distance traveled by time taken. Its SI unit is meters per second. Second one, velocity. Velocity is the displacement traveled per unit time. It is a vector quantity having both magnitude and direction. Its formula is velocity equal to displacement traveled by time taken. Its SI unit is also meters per second. So what are the differences between distance and displacement? Distance is the actual length traveled by the body in a path irrespective of direction. Displacement is the distance traveled in a straight line irrespective of direction. So what are the differences between scalar and vector quantity? Scalar quantity, it has magnitude only, not direction. Vector quantity, it have both magnitude and direction. Speed's example is 5 meters per second. Vector quantity example is 5 meters per second east. So here east is the direction. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. That is final velocity minus initial velocity. It can be positive, negative or zero also. Its formula is acceleration equal to v minus u by t. That is v is final velocity, u is initial velocity and t is time. Negative acceleration is also called retardation or deceleration. Okay friends, I hope you have enjoyed this class. Okay friends, be safe. Bye. Keep learning.